warmly welcome to the PowerGen Asia and Renewable Energy World Asia News Report. I'm Dr. Heather Johnston. This year has seen many interesting developments in the ASEAN power market. As the region strongly recovers from the global economic crisis, demand for power is forecast to increase steadily over the next few years, providing challenges for the industry to meet projected future shortfalls. In the conference, the region's utility companies, including TNB, EGAT and PLN, highlighted the requirements for a diverse energy mix, including renewables and nuclear, to maintain the future security of energy supply. While Singapore's Senior Minister of State for Trade and Industry and Education, Mr. Iswaran, announced that Singapore would be accelerating the expansion of its LNG terminal on Jurong Island.
As part of our energy diversification strategy, we are building a liquefied natural gas terminal. The LNG terminal will help Singapore enable us to import LNG from global markets to meet our growing needs.
Avensis Operation Management also demonstrated the deployment of a virtual reality 3D industrial process simulation system.
The co-iSIM is the virtual reality plan. This system, we can start from the 3D modeling. We can utilize from that to build our iSIM model, but we can put more dynamic to link together with our dynamic simulator. Before they start up the actual plan, they can practice all the scenario or procedure, even emergency cases. It's difficult to test in the real process. So operators get used to that situation. So they are not, have a big problems on that cases.
In other news, ABB announced the extension of the life cycle commitment for their popular Symphony range of distributed control systems beyond 2015.
And we believe that this is a great impact on the power and water industry, because there is a huge install base of these systems deployed at power and water plants, more than 2,000 sites in the world. And of course this will allow our customers to better plan the maintenance, better plan the evolution of their control systems, introducing new technologies, avoiding that systems become obsolete.
ELTEC Valer launched Thea, the highest efficiency solar inverter product range in the ASEAN region.
One really good word I'd like to use is called, it's the brains of the system. What I mean by this is that when you have solar panels, they catch the sun, but you need to convert the sun into usable power. This product transfers that DC energy into AC energy. Well, basically, when you catch the sun's rays, you lose a lot. And in that transfer process, you want to make sure that you transfer as much as possible. So the higher efficiency, it means the more power, kilowatt hours you produce, and that means in the end, more money that you get back from the power that you actually transfer.
Other announcements from the exhibition floor include the launch of a very high precision actuator by Sipos Actoric.
Today our launch is the Sipos 5 high mod actuator. The actuator itself is based on the existing Sipos 5 with the integrated frequency converter. That is a technology that has numerous advantages. You can change your speed at any time. That means you can change the valve operating time according to your requirements. We want to offer the utmost accuracy and continuous modulation, continuous duty, so the customer can just forget about the actuators. Look at things that are more important and thus increase the efficiency of their power plant.
Welcome back. Just prior to PowerGen Asia, Siemens handed over a combined cycle cogeneration plant to Power Seraya in Singapore.
We could commission the plant this year, and at the end of October we had the big inauguration ceremony together with the client. Power Seraya is a 2-time single shaft 4000F power plant, which is not only producing electricity but also steam, delivering steam to the nearby industry. And in this combination, the power plant is featuring a very high plant utilization, meaning a high efficiency.
have with me Glenn Ensor, Director of International Events at Penwell. Glenn, what has the vibe been on the exhibition floor?
Very positive. We've had around 6,000 attendees, which is by far the greatest number we've ever had in Singapore. We've had a 15% increase in conference attendance, around 700 delegates from 60 countries, and so we're going to be leaving Singapore very happy.
And what has the feedback been from the conference programme?
The conference programme has received a virtually universal thumbs up. This is put together by the industry for the industry, and speaking to everybody, it's been a very high quality conference indeed.
The models, we focus on the technical and also social. Our model, I would say, that's very successful, and the main indicators that shows that the model is successful is based on our outage. We managed to have the outage within the period of time that been given by the authority, and in fact, we managed to reduce a few days ahead from the total durations. I think that's the best result.
And with that, we come to the conclusion of another successful PowerGen Asia and Renewable Energy World Asia Conference and Exhibition. It has once again proved to be an excellent platform to exchange knowledge and to establish and renew relationships. We look forward to seeing you in Kuala Lumpur next year.